So if you're interested in what you're actually going to be getting with your Waterfed pole from window washing, you have it here in front of us. So on the right hand side you'll see it's a 30 centimeter brush from end to end, complete with a quick connect. So this quick connect, when on the pole, will connect to this pipe here. 2 stainless steel pencil jets. The angle adapter Euro thread will screw into the top of the pole here, and it will then screw into the end of the pole over here. You can remove this piece here if you desire, but when the pole comes to you, it will be assembled, and you'll see just now we'll show you, but we just do that for ease of use. And then 20 meters of hose. So depending on which configuration you order, it'll either come with one of these, or it will come with a Gardena fitting to fit on either the tap or one of our trolleys, or one of our resin systems as well. So the pole itself, this is a 6-meter pole, so it only has 3 clamps, but you basically open the clamp, you can replace any part of the clamping system, all well built. This is a fiberglass pole. We do supply a 9-meter fiberglass. We also supply right up to basically any configuration up to 20 meters and up for, and that obviously would be carbon fiber. Once you go past 9 meters, it would be carbon fiber. So I'm going to quickly assemble this and show you what it looks like assembled. So you'll see now the pole is assembled. We have the angle adapter, we have the pipe connected, which will then run all the way through to the end of the Waterfed pole, and I'll show you that. And then basically you can basically adjust, these are teeth here, you can basically adjust it to any angle that you want, but I mean that's pretty straightforward. So the water will run through the base, from the base of the pole up to the top and out through the jets. So here we have the 20 meters of hose. So basically the quick connect to the base of the pole will then connect to the hose, and then from this end we'll go straight to our backpack pump. So quite a straightforward system. Obviously it varies depending on what you order. There are many configurations. We figured them out to find the best way of dealing with the situation. Depending on your cleaning style and what you are cleaning. But this is just one of the configurations. And then of course this particular model, this particular setup is designed to work with our 15-liter backpack pump.